Honey badger, the bravest animal in the world. This animal, despite not being too big, fears other predators in Africa, cobras, and even lions. When confronting the honey badger, the monitor lizard suffered a tragic end, being chopped into pieces by the opponent without being able to fight back. With extremely sharp teeth and claws, the honey badger quickly defeated the invincible predator in the African savanna. A jackal appears to be trying to attack a turtle. It tries every way to attack the turtle through its hard shell. However, this natural armor kept the turtle safe from jackal attacks. It seemed like the turtle had escaped, but unfortunately, the turtle had met an enemy. The badger boldly struggled with the turtle for a long time and finally achieved its goal. The honey badger attracted the attention of an adult male lion, while he himself was unaware. When the lion approached, the honey badger was startled to realize. However, it did not run away in panic, but suddenly became extremely aggressive and reckless. The animal opened its mouth full of teeth, then rushed forward as if it wanted to devour it alive, making even lions fear it. The honey badger is injured in the leg and is unlucky enough to encounter a leopard. However, the honey badger was not scared at all but still fought back fiercely, and the ending was unexpected. Fed up with this crazy guy, the leopard let the honey badger leave. When a leopard confronts a honey badger head-on, it is often afraid because honey badgers always fight with the mindset of not afraid of heaven, not afraid of earth. This honey badger is very famous for its somewhat irreverent personality. They are ready to attack the most poisonous snakes, dispute territory with hyenas, or even compete for food, and attack even the most fearsome lions. Honey badgers are very fierce and stubborn, even large carnivores such as lions, leopards. Must be cautious when confronting them. Yes, now the sly honey badger takes on all three hyenas alone. The fighting was fierce, and the final result was inconclusive. Teasing the honey badger, the mole snake has to pay a heavy price. The honey badger is a fearless animal no matter who the enemy is. Now it is suddenly attacked by this mole snake. And of course, with its abundant courageous nature, this mouse certainly cannot escape the honey badger's claws. Yes, sure, encounter between a badger and a skunk. Same family, but no one gives in to the other. Two weasel families rush to bite each other. But the two young men will probably have to fight a few more rounds to determine who is strong and who is weak. Unlike their weasel cousins, honey badgers are extremely famous for their somewhat aggressive and active personality. Despite its small body, in necessary situations, this animal is ready to confront predators much larger than itself. With the nature of not being afraid of anyone, this pair of honey badgers is staring at the wolf's den. The honey badger is also known to be a notorious snake hunter. The honey badger is not a wise person. He always rushes into danger to do what he wants. Even in its attack, the badger did not calmly dodge the attack, but aggressively rushed and bit the opponent. Soon, the badger defeated the snake and began eating its prey. Possessing a chilling name, the Deathstalker desert scorpion is one of the most poisonous scorpions on the planet. Bad luck for scorpions, honey badgers are not only thick-faced, but also have strong poison resistance. The scorpion's attacks can kill giant opponents, but not honey badgers, not aggressive. Even though the honey badger was stung directly in the face by the scorpion, it still did not flinch, continued to find a way to neutralize the aggressive prey, and finally ate the scorpion. African honey badgers bravely enter beehives to collect honey. Because of this, it suffered countless stings from bees. Stealing bait from leopards, attacking poisonous snakes, even losing consciousness from a poisonous snake bite, but then waking up as if nothing had happened. Only honey badgers are so stubborn. The lion is always known as the king of the forest, the king of all species, and is a powerful predator that can attack any animal on the grassland. However, no matter how strong a lion is, it doesn't want to encounter it.